Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am extra excited about this video. As you can already tell by the title, I am going to be painting my hair rose gold. I am so excited slash nervous, just all over the place with my emotions, okay? I have been wanting to try something like this for the longest time. So Sally's Beauty reached out to me to get together, to join forces, to create this video. I said, you know what? This is the perfect opportunity for me to finally do something that I have been wanting to do for so long. Let me go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about the paints that we're going to be using. The paints that we're going to be using are from the company Wella. They are called the ColorCharm paints, a semi-permanent hair color. So Wella is launching 14 hair paints, and what's really unique and special about these paints is they're actually mixable. These 14 colors, you could literally mix whatever colors you want to custom make the color that you desire. This semi-permanent color lasts approximately 20 washes, give or take. Your starting hair color and the intensity of the color that you chose plays a big role in how long your hair color is going to last. So those are just some things to consider when applying the color. Besides obvious one, the paint, we need one of these little containers to put the paint in, one of these little paint brushes. I also went ahead and I picked up one of these little cuties. This is just to mix the different paint colors. I also picked up some, just kidding, clips to help me part my hair, some gloves, a towel. If you don't have a cape, or just grab like an old t-shirt. And I think that's it. Let's go ahead and start mixing the color. Alrighty guys, so I am done mixing the color. I did do a little patch test on my hair off of camera. So let me show you guys so you guys can sort of get an idea of what it's gonna look like. I am so excited. So if you're like me and this is your first time attempting a semi-permanent color, definitely do a little patch test. I think that it's just gonna help calm your nerves and get you more excited. So let's go ahead and let's get started. guys, so now that the product is evenly distributed, or at least the best to my ability, I am gonna go ahead and put a 20-minute timer. After the 20 minutes are up, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wash and style and then come back and show you guys the final results. So wish me luck. Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. Ta-da! I have rose gold hair. What do you guys think? I love that it's not pink, that it's like that rose gold. It has like the peachy undertone. I love it. My hair does not feel dry, which was one of the things I was a little worried about. I didn't know if it was gonna make my hair feel dry or if it was gonna change the curl pattern for a little while. So I don't feel like any of that has happened. So I'm super happy. It's still so weird to look at myself. I'm like so used to my blonde hair, but I love it. I matched the lipstick, of course. Guys, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna try a color, and if you are, what color mixture you're gonna go for. I'm so excited. If you post any pictures on Instagram inspired by this video, I would love to see them. So tag me at Beauty by Jenny Fro. Oh, and before I forget, as always, please don't forget to like this video if you want to see more like it, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification button. That way you don't miss any videos. You'll get a notification every time I upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye. It's that coffee kicking in. Woo! A lot of time.